So just want to show you guys my homemade chicken coop. Uh, 6 chickens. There's definitely plenty of room for all of them in the sand here. They like dusting themselves. I clean this out once a day. And here is the hen house where I get the eggs. I built this with some scrap wood I had from the hurricane last year. Boarded up my house, but built this up for the there they are. They get to lay their eggs. They can go up top if they want. Nothing fancy. They love it. I let them out a few times a day just to graze on the grass and eat the bugs. But there they go. This is an older one I had. I'm gonna make a new coop. I'm gonna incorporate a old playground. But that's that.